In this session, we will look at product search. So go into your account and click the first button on the left in the left menu, product search. Type at the top something like daily cracker planner, whatever title you wish to produce, and look at the bottom below the search. There is a BSR numbers. This is what it means. The best one should be under 50,000. So here we got between 4,000 and 1 million. What you should do is just above this search button, there is an advanced search text, blue text on the left. Just click that, you get these numbers. Change the 2 million BSR numbers to 200,000 to narrow your search, like I've done here. And click search again. Then you get less results. So you can scroll down and look at the bestseller logbooks here. I've got mileage logbook for vehicles, and it gives you all the information. If you scroll down after the mileage log, you'll see another one, another log. Bill tracker notebook, monthly. Look at the number of sales, BSR, all of the information is given here. So the main thing is you have to look at the competition, the healthy BSR, search demand. There is another tool called KDP Spy by BookBolt. Type it in your Google search. This is what it looks like. Download the Chrome extension and then go into Kindle store search, the main KDP search page, and open the extension. Under the keywords, type a planner name, be more specific, or you can start broad and then click on search on the left and start. That gives you at the top. Wait for it until it finishes searching. You get all of the information in the BSR reviews. And that's it for today.